Salesforce versus HubSpot CRM. Two giants in customer management. But which one really delivers? On the left, Salesforce, powerful and scalable. On the right, HubSpot CRM, user-friendly, built for growth. Let's skip the jargon and get into the real details. We'll score each category, and at the end, reveal who truly comes out on top. The result in 2025 might actually surprise you. All right, let's get a quick visual of what we're actually comparing today. We've got pricing, ease of use, scalability, marketing features, AI and predictive analytics, and finally, integration and ecosystem. That's a lot to unpack, but trust me, it's all crucial when picking a CRM. Let's talk about pricing first, which honestly is where a lot of folks make or break their decision. So Salesforce does come with some advanced features, but yeah, it's generally more expensive. You're probably looking at some serious subscription fees if you're going all in. Now, flip over to HubSpot and, oh, here's something cool. They actually have a free plan. Plus, their overall cost is way lower. But don't get too excited, because scalability can be a bit limited there. If you're on a budget or just starting out, HubSpot's looking like the winner in the price war. Moving on to ease of use. So Salesforce is like super powerful, especially if you're an advanced user who loves tinkering. But wow, it's got a steep learning curve. I mean, do you want to spend a week just setting things up? Not everyone does. Now, HubSpot setup is a breeze. It's literally built to be user-friendly, and you don't need a user manual or anything like that. The flip side is there's less customization. Still, if you want to hit the ground running, HubSpot pretty much nails ease of use. All right, scalability. This is where Salesforce shines through. Seriously, it's like the big leagues of CRM. It's highly scalable and totally enterprise level, although you might need some external help if you want to make it sing. HubSpot, on the other hand, is great for small businesses and offers some flexibility, but if you're a huge company, it's not really built for that kind of scale. So, for those of you planning growth at superhero speed, Salesforce is clearly boss here. Hold up, I've got a quick fun fact for you. Did you know CRMs are transforming businesses with AI? Sometimes making decisions almost instantly. Pretty wild how much smarter these platforms have gotten, huh? Next up is marketing features. With Salesforce, you get some pretty advanced tools, but a lot of that happens via their marketing cloud. So yeah, you may need some third-party integrations if you want the full set. HubSpot, everything's kind of ready to go with their integrated all-in-one marketing tools. You just dive in. It's true, HubSpot doesn't have quite the same depth as Salesforce's marketing cloud. But if you want powerful tools without juggling a bunch of apps, HubSpot's hard to beat in this area. Let's jump into AI and predictive analytics, because honestly, it's 2025 and everyone wants that extra brain power, right? Salesforce gives you Einstein AI, which is seriously advanced if you have the technical skills to use it, like next-level insights for predicting sales and behavior. HubSpot does have some basic AI features, but they're nowhere near Einstein territory. So, if AI is high on your wish list, Salesforce takes this round. Last category, integration and ecosystem. Salesforce, wow, the AppExchange ecosystem is massive. You can pretty much integrate anything your heart desires, but get ready, it can be a little overwhelming with all the possibilities. HubSpot does come with over 1,000 integrations, which is pretty impressive, but it's still not close to Salesforce's gigantic lineup. So if you want max flexibility and options, Salesforce is definitely the heavyweight here. Let's take a step back and look at the scores side by side. You'll instantly see where each CRM stands out, whether it's pricing, scalability, or that crazy AI muscle. All right, here's my honest take. If you're running a big operation that needs loads of customization and you've got ambitious growth plans, Salesforce is basically built for you. But if you want something that's easy, integrated, and doesn't require a manual just to get started, HubSpot is the one I'd tell my friends who are just launching a business to go for. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Seriously, you won't want to miss the next deep dive I've got coming up all about CRMs.